I'm Hava, and today we're exploring the neighborhood of Chelsea here in New York City by going to the Poster House, which is a museum all about posters, going to Chelsea Market, and going to Little Island, which is literally a public park on the water. Our first stop today is the Poster House, and the Poster House is the first museum in the United States exclusively dedicated to posters. It opened in June of 2019, so it's not that old of a museum. This museum explores the impact of large format graphic design, specifically related to mass communication and persuasion, the intersection of art and commerce, and the control of the public domain. Plus, it's free on Fridays, which is why I'm here on a Friday to hopefully get in for free. That was a good experience, kind of interesting. I'm glad I went, I'm glad I've experienced it, although it's not the kind of thing that I feel like I would come back to again and again, except to say that all of the exhibits do rotate, so it's not, these three may not be there when you go, or maybe they will if you go really soon, but it was small, you won't spend a lot of time doing this, and I'm hungry, so let's get to the next stop. Next up, we are here at Chelsea Market, which is a global food and retail marketplace here in New York. Is for Los Tacos #1. I remember seeing it last time I came to Chelsea, and I've heard from multiple people since then that these tacos are amazing and worth the wait. So we're gonna hop in line and wait for Los Tacos #1. That's right, it starts here and it goes all all the way back there. Can I please have a nopal taco on corn?
Okay. This is your first time here, right?
Yes, thank you so much.
Ticket and go to the next counter, and you're gonna give that ticket to the taquero, and the taquero's gonna ask you what toppings you want, the taco, and the taco tortilla you want. Right?
Awesome, thank you.
Okay, enjoy, all right? Okay, it's only one taco.
Yes, please.
You want corn or flour with tortilla?
Which do you like better?
For me, corn is the best.
Corn.
Okay, no spicy.
Thank you. One thing you should know about Chelsea Market is if you're getting food in a to-go setting like I did, it's very hard to find a place to actually eat. I mean, I found this little spot right here, and I know there's a big area somewhere where you can actually sit, but nowhere near where I am right now, so we're just gonna enjoy this taco right here. Wow, the cactus taco is very delicious. Chelsea Market also hosts the Artisan Fleas Market, which you may recall from my Williamsburg video if you are a loyal viewer of this channel. If not, subscribe, turn on notifications, like this video while you're at it, join the club, be part of us. And I went through the Artisan Fleas Market over there. I love it there, and Williamsburg in general. That's a great video to watch if you've enjoyed this one. And now we can check out the different artists at Artisan Fleas. I always come back to French. Hi, can I please have a smoked salmon crepe with something other than goat cheese? Can we replace it with a different type? I see you have mozzarella, I see you have Gruyere. Whatever you think would...
Maybe Gruyere.
Let's do that.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, that's me. Thank you. I am so hungry. I need more than a little taco. Delicious. Now that our stomachs are full, we feel good, it is time to hit the park. That is Little Island. And the reason that people love this place, it's actually a relatively new park, it's only been open for about 2 years now, is because the entire thing is over the water. Come on, let's go. Walking through this park seems like a great time to make a New York City shoe recommendation, and heads up, this video isn't sponsored, but I will put an affiliate link in the description for you. One of my top shoe recommendations for New York City is Doc Martens. First of all, whether you're a visitor or local, when you spend time in New York City, supportive shoes are an absolute must for your health. And that's something I get out of Doc Martens, especially because I opt for platform shoes whenever possible, and with Doc Martens, it's possible. At the same time, this is New York City, kind of known for fashion, right? Doc Martens win again. They go with everything. In fact, I've had trouble finding any outfits that they don't go go with. And it's not just me. Something else I love about Doc Martens is that it's such an inclusive brand. They have posters in storefronts welcoming everyone regardless of race, religion, gender, sexual orientation, ability, and age. And the versatility of styles reflects that too. And hey, there are lots of other shoes that I love wearing in New York too. I'm just saying that Doc Martens are a great pick when you want the intersection of style, support, and versatility. At the time of this recording, we are just coming into spring, so things are just starting to bloom. Oh, these rocks look fun. Let's climb down them. Between the music maker and the rocks that everyone's clearly allowed to climb down, I think that this is a place in New York that kind of makes everyone feel a little useful again. Given that Chelsea is one of my favorite neighborhoods in New York City, I can assure you that we have only scratched the tip of the iceberg when it comes to things to do here. Something interesting that you may or may not have noticed in the background of this video is that this is very much a place that's mixed of tourists and locals, because a lot of people have heard of Chelsea Market and the High Line, and even Little Island here, a lot of people are tourists. But at the same time, it's very much a local scene because it is downtown, and so I think it's an interesting mix of locals and tourists here. So whether you're a local or a tourist, you'll probably like it here. Let me know in the comments below what you think looks like the most interesting thing to do here, and if you're a local and you're familiar with Chelsea, please give me more Chelsea Recs because I do love Chelsea a lot. And since you made it this far, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications if you haven't already. Thanks so much for doing that. That's a great way to support the channel. And follow me over on Instagram for day-to-day content. I would love to meet you, know who you are, so please reach out, send me a DM, or comment on one of my photos on Instagram, or introduce yourself in a comment below this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you here in New York, or at least in the next video. Bye!